So as we keep going, there's still a few things that we need to know. And this is kind of the central focus of lean, right? Continuous improvement. A Japanese word for that is Kaizen. So it's a change for the better. That's what I was told. I hope no one say that it's completely different. That's written there. My Japanese is a little bit rusty. So Japanese word for continuous improvement means that I'm going to use all those principles that we learn in class to understand, the scopes of a project, define it, understand current state, investigate root causes, implement and test, and even going farther away that you try to implement them and control them, right? As is a very important thing. Find out if we actually hit the spot or not, if we were right with the cause and if, or the root cause or not, and that is embedded on the kind of the culture of the Toyota production system, of a lean system, and that's very difficult to implement, right? Because people don't have that mindset, right? But that gives them a lot of kind of potential to grow and potential to reduce waste because of that, improve performance, right? And you wanted to make that wheel spin faster and faster and faster. So the goal is to have every employee thinking about that, or as much as you can, or as more employee as possible thinking about ways to reduce waste to improve, right? And that's one of the reasons why our students get so good jobs and good positions, because we teach them in a course about continuous improvement, and companies like that mindset, right? And like that way of thinking, because that's the way that they can progress. That's why the success of the Lean Six Sigma and our green belt certification, our projects, and how our students perform when you graduate, you guys perform when you graduate. uh, so that's the idea. We need to solve problems every day, and it could be a very small problem, but if you teach more and more people to do it, you're going to have a big impact in the future, right? So solve problems along the way. Have the mindset that continuous flow is the best thing. We want to pull as much as we can. We want to produce according to attack time as much as it can. And every day we have to do a little bit better going that direction, right? That's the mindset of Kaizen. So if things don't work, if the setup is too high, if maintenance have too much issues in this machine, well, that's what you have to do. That's what you have to solve. That is the next Kaizen. And if you don't get as much as you needed, you do another Kaizen and another Kaizen and another Kaizen. So that mindset of continuous improvement, that is very difficult, right? And that takes some time for people to get used to that. That's not natural. That's difficult. Okay, solve problems, standardize them, go to the next stage, right? And have to think about every process on the way. How can I do it a better job, right? There's always a better way to do it. There's nothing that cannot be improved, right? And that's the mindset, okay, of Kaizen.